Oh my god.
All right, everyone.
You let her talk? You let her talk, you're the bigger.
Don't go by where he's gonna give him like. What the heck?
So dope. Not that yet. They have a minute to live. I'll get the fuck away from me. Why are you trying to kill them, Ben? Look, they're swimming in my hand.
Wait, I locked it right now, I thought.
Yeah, once it's lifted up, then you chuck it and then you do it.
Right? Good, baby.
No reaction.
Baby.
Wait, I'm going that way though, cause
Raheem, do you think we're Yo, Roy, if you catch a baby shark, I'll give you $20. Or
Actually?
I'll buy you a hamburger.
actually,
Yeah.
no, I want $20.
Okay.
I'm telling you, it's gonna happen. I see one right there.
We're so dark.
Wait, put two, Raheem, too. Baby sharks eat a lot. I mean, oh, I'm gonna get a baby shark right now.
Okay.
Watch. It's not a baby shark. I'm not Roy.
You're not Roy.
Oh, no, it's nothing.
Ooh.
Shit. Baby shark right now. Okay, I get nothing. This is rigged. Grant, did you ever get anything?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Bird.
Except that. Yo.
Oh! You're trying to kill my fuck.
How the fuck do you catch shit in this?
Can't see my nipples.
That was such a bad
He's holding them. They're gonna die like that.
Wow, they're in the water.
It's right here. Get the fuck away from me. I have 3 boys and 1 crab. Look, you want to see it?
Wait.
Look at my crab. Stop, you're gonna kill my fish. Stop. Why are you being a bully? They're right here.
What?
Motherfucker. Motherfucker.
Mateo, hurry up! Come here. Hurry up! It's a zombie crab. It's coming out of the sands. Look, it's trying to come out of the sands.
This one?
Yeah, look at it.
He's fine. He's chilling there. Just leave him there.
I want to see.
Should I touch it?
No. You
Yeah?
already said don't. Fuck you. What do you think? I won. Did I win?
But you didn't.
You can't promise. The thing is, it's like you can't promise things like that.
You guys just wanted an excuse to hold hands.
Before I have a 2nd-degree burn on the tip of my anus. Claude, how many dicks have you had in your mouth, huh? Oh yeah, Raheem's cock, it won't fit in my mouth.
Would you know?
It'll touch my stomach.
Before you said that.
Yeah, before. Tony, stop basing it off before you sucked cocks. No, you don't. Because I'm gonna shower when I get home. I've already showered with you. I do feel comfortable.
When have you showered?
At Mom and Pop's house when you were so. Do you not remember that? I literally came out.